The Sony XB950BT. The headphones that pretty much started it all. I actually sold my pair, but my son held on to his. And man, they have been through the ringer. Man, they got so much dirt on them. I just turned them on. There's like sweat buildup because he would cut the grass and stuff. I hope I don't get some kind of nasty infection from putting these on my head. But let's try them out because it's been years, like literally 2 years probably, since I put them on and listened to them. So let's see. Woo! That bass boost. Okay. They still sound great, man. Yeah, they still sound great. These are actually like third place runner-ups to the Skull Candy Crusher and Crusher 360s, man, in my opinion. But times have changed, and now we have the Sony MDR XB950N1s. This review is long overdue, man. These headphones been out for like a year and some change, probably even 2 years, I'm not even sure. But let's go ahead and get into it. I only had these out because I wanted to compare the two as far as the sound. I just heard the sound, and the old ones are still banging. So if you can find the old ones pretty cheap, make sure you pick up those because the old ones are still banging. Wow, okay, so I can already tell that there's a difference in the build quality. It just seems like, I like this textured plastic they got here, but everything else is pretty much the same, but the textured plastic makes it feel like a little bit more quality. There are some subtle changes here, but not too much. Let me see. Yeah, not too much, nothing that makes me raise my eyebrow. Let me see here, ear cups are, looks like the ear cups are a little smaller, or the ear hole is a little smaller. So I'll check that out. Is that ear hole a little smaller, or is it just me? It looks smaller, man, it does. Okay, so let's just put that to the side again. Put the headphones down, get this open. All right, cool. Oh snap, Sony gives you a bag. This is very uncommon for Sony headphones. They usually do not give you a case or a bag unless you spend like, I don't know, $250, $300. So, oh, so it's got a divider in there so you can separate your cables and everything. You got this 3.5 millimeter proprietary cable. It's got this sleeve on there that makes it proprietary, so don't lose it or you can't use it wired. We don't care about wired though because these are Bluetooth headphones and we just need to put them away. So let's just take a little walk around, even though we already know what they're all about. The stainless steel right here, then you got a little cushion. Pretty much the exact same as the older ones, except they just have this textured material here, and they have some extra mics and stuff for noise canceling. Let's look at the business end of these things. So let's make sure everything is still the same. So we got the left and the left. Okay, they switched it up on me good. Okay, so they got the power button right here, and it's still recessed, still has a light next to it. It just looks a little different. Then you got your bass effect. Actually, they call it bass boost here and bass effect here, and it's not recessed anymore. Man, I wish they would have it recessed. That way you can easily find it. Then coming around to the micro USB port, then you got your 3.5, and then instead of a mic right here, you got your noise canceling button. Let me see if it works with it off. Okay, nope. And then let's see, on the left, I'm sorry, on the right ear cup, you've got your toggles here. All the same toggles, all the same switches, everything is still the same. NFC on the right on the old one, whereas the NFC is on the left on the new one. So this is the business side of the ear cup right here. All right, everything else is still the same. Let me look at these speaker grills right here. Okay, so the grill right here is a lot bigger than this red one right here, so that's a different touch. And I do miss the red and black color scheme they had going, but I will definitely take this this matte black / almost gray look they've got going. But let's put them on my head, see how they feel and sound. Oh man, okay, so yeah, do I have these on right? Wow, it feels like they're almost on backwards. Hold on, are the ear cups weird? Yeah, man. Right off the top, the ear cups are very stiff and they feel awkward. They don't feel very comfortable. It could be just, you know, a matter of a break-in period, but they don't feel as plush and as comfortable as the older ones. Everything feels stiff. And that could just be, you know, you just need to wear them a little bit. But right off the top, very stiff. Tap. It says power on. Nice, sexy lady voice. Bluetooth connected. We're good to go. Okay, I got the app downloaded. Let's connect it. All right, they don't give you much to play with here. So they give you clear bass, -10, 0, and +10. Then you got your EQ right here, which is arena, club, outdoor stage, concert hall, and off. Okay, let's leave it off for right now because I want the regular sound. You got a little battery there. It doesn't really tell you what kind of percentage you got. And I didn't hear any audible prompts. You got noise canceling on or off. Let's see. Noise canceling is very good. Very, very good. I like the noise canceling. All right, let's play some jams. Little Boosie Badass, No Juice. Man. Okay, hold on. Woo, wow. Okay, so the bass effect is off. They get plenty loud. Not ear-shattering loud, but definitely plenty loud, and there's plenty of bass. Made my inner ear tickle a little bit. All right, let me play it again, and then I'm gonna turn on the bass boost. No juice, and nobody believes you. Okay, hold on. Let me go through some more tracks. Let me see. No way, no. All right. Well, here's my final assessment. I give these headphones a thumbs up. I definitely highly recommend them. However, it comes with some caveats. These are bass head headphones. They are strong on the bass, even without the bass boost, okay? The app allows you to adjust how much of that bass boost you want from -10 to 0 to +10, but nonetheless, they are still bass head headphones in all 20 clicks of that span right there. So take that into account. The mids and highs are pretty good. I feel like the bass, the boosted bass actually takes away from the mids and highs. It kind of settles them a little bit, and it almost bleeds into the category of muddy. But I don't really want to say that about these headphones because it's not exactly muddy. It's just not as good as it would be if it wasn't bass boosted. But as far as the sound goes, man, they are loud enough. You got all the bass you want. Now we're not talking about crusher, deep, rich bass like that. We are definitely talking about just bass boosted, more than any other headphone, I should say. Now the build quality is great. It's about the same, if not the exact same as the originals. I don't see, a lot of people told me that their originals broke somewhere. I don't remember where they were telling me that they were breaking, but as you can see, these have been through the test of time and they are still holding up. They squeak a lot though. There's a lot of squeaking going on here. Might need to oil up your hinges a little bit, but yeah, we got a little bit here too. But yeah, that's just a little bit of oil or something. Oh, snap, these fold in. The new ones fold in so they can be a little bit more portable than the older ones. So that's a good look, Sony. So they fold this way and this way and this way. Nice. All right, so build quality is still on par with the original. I don't think much has changed at all, if anything. I do like the design and I definitely give these thumbs up. It's a good purchase for Black Friday, as a Christmas gift, or for your own personal usage if you want to be stingy like that. But look, I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff. I'm just doing reviews. But before I get out of here, you make sure you tap on that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all at the next one.